Naniniwala si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na hindi aabot sa Malacanang ang mga aligasyon ng katiwalian kaugnay pa rin ng mga flood control project. Handa rin siyang magbigay ng kopya ng salin o tala ng mga yaman at utang niya sa Independent Commission for Infrastructure kung hingin sa kanya. Nakatutok si Ivan Mayrina.
Sa pagulong na investigasyon sa katiwalian sa mga flood control projects, marami ng pangalang nadawit, kabilang ilang kaalyado ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, kabilang ang pinsang si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez. Tanong ngayon sa Pangulo, aabot ba mga aligasyon sa Malacanang?
The opposition would love to bring me into this, to include me in all of this, but that's politics. That is not to do about corruption. That is to do about politics. Gusto nila akong tanggalin. On this, I'm confident that whatever mud might be slung at the administration, that we will be able to show that these are politically motivated and do not actually have any validation in fact.
Pero sabi rin ng Pangulo, kumpiyansa man siyang hindi masasangkot sa issue, iimbestigahan pa rin ang lahat kung saan man dalhin ng ebidensya.
Well, I'm confident because I know what we did or did not do. But if we investigate everybody, we follow the evidence, and wherever that leads is not something that we try to direct or influence. That's why we have the ICI.
Suportado naman ng Pangulo ang hakbang ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla na isa publikong salin ng matataas na opisyal ng gobyerno.
My salin it will be available to whoever would like to, kung hingiin sa akin ng ICI, hindi siyempre bibigay ko. Kung hingiin sa akin ng ombudsman bibigay namin.
Tungkol naman sa 2026 national budget, sinabi ng Pangulo na bubuksan daw ang proseso ng Bicameral Conference Committee kung saan nung nakaraan nangyayari ang pagsingit ng mga proyekto, kabilang ang flood control projects.
I have the agreement of the Senate President and the Speaker na ganun ang gagawin natin. We will live stream the entire process so that if there are questionable, shall we say, insertions or additions or all that, it will also be clear who made those changes or who proposed those changes so that people will know.
At sa ugong na umunay destabilisasyon, naniniwala ang Pangulo na matatag pa rin ang gobyerno pero handa siyang makinig sa mga may reklamo.
It is dangerous for someone in my position to be complacent and to say, don't worry, everybody. Kung may reklamo, bukas naman kami. Sige, magreklamo kayo, sabihan nyo sa amin. So, when you ask me how confident I am, all I can say is that in our assessment, we are still very much, the administration is still very much on solid ground in terms of support from the different sectors of society. However, we work very hard to continue to earn that support from them.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ivan Mayrina, nakatutok, 24 oras.